Do you ever wish that you had more control over the specs of your next laptop? Maybe you found the perfect laptop, but it doesn't offer the RAM or the storage that you need. Well, lucky for you, Newegg just introduced the Laptop Upgrade Program. Now, when you purchase select laptops at Newegg.com, you'll have the option to upgrade the device before you buy. With this customized to order service, you choose the upgrades and let our team of experts do the tricky work for you. And it couldn't be easier. Just find the laptop you want at Newegg.com, and right there on the product page, you'll see all the available upgrades and how much they cost. Just select the options that fit your needs and let our professional PC experts do the rest. Now you have the power to decide how much storage or memory your next laptop needs without having to pay for a more expensive model. Plus, with more resources available, your laptop can stay in service longer, so you won't need to start looking for your next replacement as quickly. Now you're saving money on top of money. So don't settle for a substandard PC and don't pay for features you don't need. Upgrade your laptop and unlock its true speed. Get the laptop you want at a price you can afford. Check out the Newegg Laptop Upgrade Program today at Newegg.com.